How to add bank account to Apple Pay Cash. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So for that, you may open up your settings on your iPhone, your Apple phone, and once you open up your settings, you may scroll down and locate up the option called Wallet and Apple Pay. So go ahead and tap on that option after you open up your settings. And after tapping on it, here you will be finding Apple Pay Cash, including the option called Cards. So under Cards, you may select the option called Apple Pay Cash. If you have not added it yet, you may just go ahead and add it and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you will be getting your Apple Pay Cash different settings for it. So from here, you may select up the option called Transfer to Bank. Go ahead and tap on that option. And then once you tap on it here, it gives you an option to add up a bank account. So go ahead and tap on Add Bank Account from your screen. And once you do that, you need to enter up the routing number and account number. So you need to provide up the credentials of your bank account. Just go ahead and provide the details and tap on the next at the top right corner of your screen. After that, follow the on-screen instructions, and once that is done, you should be able to add bank account to Apple Pay Cash. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method